because in the house I don't speak anymore. I only let my wife speak in the house. Jerry, ganun din tayo, di ba? Yoli lang nagsasalita. Ganun tayo. Si Mayor ganun din eh. And the Mayor Romanao is also ganun. So, Yoli, congratulations sa iyong pagiging incoming president. Ngayon ko lang kukunin yung notes ko. Introduction lang po yun. Ganun ako kahaba magsalita. I have never been I am a Rotarian, I am a Lion, but never a Soroctimist. For obvious reasons. But I was invited by one all-female Rotarian to become an honorary member dun sa Libis. Sabi ko, bakit ako gagawin ninyo honorary member ng all-female Rotary Club? Kasi daw, connected ako dati dun sa community relations, just like the one handling Soroctimis. Ewan ko, bakit pa lang nag-invite sa akin sa Soroctimis nung araw na maging honorary member din? I am not saying na impitahin niyo ako. It's just that I am really glad to see a group of women, successful women, who work so hard for other women. Yan ang Soroctimist. I don't want to lecture. I just want to socialize with you, to celebrate, and to fellowship. And to praise and honor all of you, especially the incoming, si Yoli, who will be giving so much of herself for 1 year and even beyond. 2 years. Oh my God, 2 years, Yoli. And even beyond. Because Yoli, ay sabi nga ni Mayor, talagang tumutulong sa marami.